Okay, so today we are going to be looking at how to find the intersection of diagonals of a parallelogram via GeoGebra. So first thing we need to know is we need to know how to put our parallelogram into um, GeoGebra, which it's just like we did with triangles. We're going to scroll down, we're going to hit load more, and then we're going to click on this polygon tool. Now, I'm going to graph my points, which is -3, 0, -1, 3, 5, 4, and 3, 1. Now I have my 4 points posted, so I need to reconnect to that first point, and we are all happy. So next thing I need to do, now that I have my parallelogram graphed, I'm going to scroll down to my lines tab. I'm going to click on these lines, and I'm going to select 2 points. So I want to draw in my diagonal. So I'm going to go from point A over to point C, and I'm going to go from point B over to point D. Doesn't matter which order you do these in, as long as, of course, they intersect. Now, my last thing I'm going to do, which right now we can see it's at 1, 2. It's at the point of 1, 2. But what I would do just in case, like this one's very clear, but maybe at some point you'll have one that's like here, kind of in between the grids. I would go ahead and I would click my intersect tool up here at the top in basic tools. I would click intersect, and I'm going to click right in the middle where these two lines cross each other. I'm going to click back to the move tool, and now I'm going to click on point E. I'm going to hit the 3 dots. I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to change it to value. So now, as predicted, the value of this point is 1, 2. Okay, so that would be the first example. Now, there's another example in there that you guys will do on your own, but I will show it to you really quick here, just so you have that to go with. Now I just got to delete all of these. You could drag these oftentimes, but I'm just going to show you again fresh, just so it's you get another example of it. So going to scroll down, going to click on polygon over here. Going to go to point 0, -3. I'm going to go to point -2, 1, 2, 1. I'm going to go to point 1, 5. This is a goofy looking one. And now I'm going to go to 3, 1. Now I have my 4 points graphed. I'm going to reconnect back here to my first point of point A. Now I'm going to go up to my lines segment, one above polygon, and I'm going to click on line, and I'm going to connect my diagonal. So I'm going to go from B to D, and I'm going to go from A to C. Now I'm going to scroll all the way back up to the top, click my intersect tool, click right in the middle, and then I'm going to click my move, click on point E again, the 3 dots, go to settings, change it to value, show me my point, and my point is positive 1/2, 1. So that is how you use GeoGebra in order to find your the intersection of the diagonals in a parallelogram. Have a great rest of your day.